Now let us apply the index on a table which is already created. So let me show you how the index plays a very important role. So suppose I am writing a SQL query to find out the employees. So let me take an employees table here. Oh guys, actually that, let me use select star from employee table. Okay, let me execute this. Yeah, you can see we got the all the records for the employees table. Now I want to know, like I want to pull out the employee number, first name, last name from the employees table where your job title is your sales representative. Okay, sales representative. So I'll write a query here, select employee number, employee number, first name, first name, last
Sir,
name.
employee spelling please, sir.
Yeah, so this is employee number, first name, last name from employees table, employees table, where your job title is equal to sales representative, sales representative. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so if I execute this, you will be getting three columns: employee number, first name, and the last name, and you got all the records here. But what is happening behind the scene, we are going to see that. How that index is important, I'm going to explain you now. So to know that, here we need to use a simple keyword, that is a simple clause. I can call a clause explain clause at the beginning of this query. So just before select, if I use explain, and if I select this and execute, now you can see what is happening in behind the scenes. Like, so the select type is simple and the table is employee, there is no partitions actually, and the possible keys are job title, and what we are interested in is, you just, yeah, yeah, now you can see here, look at the rows here, see how many rows are affected here. You can see when I use explain clause, you can see that there are almost 23 rows. From that, you are getting filtered the job titles where your sales representative is your job title. So just look at the row numbers. Okay, but when I create an index, so let me create an index here. Now I'm creating an index. So how to create an index for the existing table? So just you write create index and give a index name. So for now, let me give an index name called job title. I want to apply the index for the column, that is job title. So for that, the syntax is create table, sorry, create index, index name on the table name employees, and you need to give a the column name on which you want to apply the index. Okay, okay, before we create an index, let me show you what are the indexes from this employee table. So to show the, or to see the index, the syntax is show indexes, indexes, indexes from employee table, employees. Okay, we have not created any index still, we are just looking at the indexes which are already created on the employees table. So there are three index created because of primary key, employee number, index is created, reports to is also created, and the office code, on the column office code the index is also created. So there are three indexes which I have created by default. Now let me create one more index. So let me create a new index on the column job title by syntax create index, index name on table name, column name. Let me do that. Yeah. So once I done, so what you can ask me, like, what is the advantage here? So if you remember, when we were running the query here, explain select query, so we got the rows 23. Now let me run this and show you. Now you can see that the rows are 17. So now from the 17 rows, the job titles where the job title is sales representative, we are getting those records. So you can see the scanning of the table has been reduced from 23 rows to only 17 rows. Now this might feel you a simple one, but when you are working on a millions of records, their indexing plays a very important role. Now if I ask you, or if I show the indexing from the employees table, you can see here we got four index. One is three were already created. This is the job title what we have created. So this is how you can create an index for a existing table. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Keep learning.